Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh from BrahmeshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll be discussing about a Gann time cycles which can be applied on a daily chart. Now, in the previous video, when I discussed about weekly time cycle, many people asked me, can it be applied on a daily or a hourly chart? So, certain cycles can be applied on a certain time frames only. So, this particular cycle which I'm discussing about can be applied on a daily and even hourly chart also. But the best results you will get on a daily chart. Now, as per Gann, he always used to focus on a number called 9 because 9 is a very, very important number. It is end of a number series. After 9, all the series are repeating by itself. So 9 is an individual number after which all the series are just, taking 9 as a support like 10, 11, 12. So 9 is the end of a number series. So it plays a very, very important role. And in that also 99 and 144 plays a very, very important role. You can see a very, very strong trend reversals in the market, and this should be applied mostly if you want to get the best results. It should be applied on a daily chart. Now, in front of me, I'm having a chart of Nifty. Now, Nifty is a very, very, Nifty is a very liquid instrument, and this needs to be applied on an instrument which is very liquid, which is having good amount of volumes. Don't apply it on a mid and small cap stocks where volumes are not good. So wherever more amount of participants are there. So I'm using a software called Gann Professional. This is a free software. You can Google about it and you can get it. In that, I'm using something called as time tool. Come here, and you need to find a major swing high or swing low. Like this was a swing bottom, and here is a swing top. Then we have a swing bottom here. So if you need to calculate 99 bars, not 99 calendar days, 99 trading bars from here. So if I'm seeing, I'm just calculating, and if you see here exactly at 99 bar, the top was made of 12,430, and from there the market, that was the major top of 2020, and from there we corrected almost 40-50%. Now after 99, let's go to the next bar, which is 144. So 142, 143, 144. Exactly the bottom was made at 7511, and from there we had a good rally. You know, so again I can draw another time cycle. I'll take this top and let's calculate 99 bars and 144 bars. So if I calculate 99, 99 will come somewhere here. This was again a major bottom. A very good rally was seen from here. Sorry, this was 98 and this is 99. So you can see this was the bottom, and from there market never looked back. And then I'm going for 144, 143, 144. Yeah, this was 144th bar. This is give and take one day. So probably if yesterday's candle looked like a reversal candle. So let's see in next 1 or 2 days we can see a strong reversal in the market. Similarly, if I calculate 99 bars also, so I'll take this bottom, and from here I'll calculate 99 bars, which is also coming on this day. So this day will be very, very important day. Note down the high and low of this day. The high is 11,401 and low is 11,253. If 11,253 gets broken any given point of time, this will be a confirmation of a strong reversal in the market. So if you can see here, so let me take some more examples if you want. We'll take from a major bottom. Yes, we made a major bottom here at 10,000. So let me draw these lines again. So this was again a major bottom, and from there you can calculate 99 bars. 96, 97, 98. See here, this is 99th bar. Again a major bottom, double bottom on the next, and from there wonderful rally. And then you can scale it up to the 144th bar. Yeah. So sometimes it is give and take 1 or 2 days. So it made a bottom after 2 days, and there was a strong reversal in the market. So this is how, now this is a Reliance chart which is open in front of you. I wanted to show you on this also. So Reliance made a bottom here, and from there we'll calculate the 99th bar. So today is the 99th bar, which is 20th of August, and today some media hearing is also there. So today can be an important trend reversal day in Reliance also. So this is just for your kind of example which you can use. Let me if we can go back. Yeah, so this was the bottom here, and let's calculate 99 and 144th bar from here. So I'm just going down 97, 98, 99. Again, you can see a major bottom was made. From there, a good rally, and then 144th bar. Yes, see here. And from the next day, I think it opened 10% gap down, and we had a good fall also. And once this high was broken, a good rally came into the market. So this is how you can use this Gann time cycles on a, I mean, daily and a daily chart. Simple concept of calculating 99 and 144 bars. So again, there are various Gann concepts. I mean, these are very simple Gann concepts. There are various Gann concepts which can be used. So that is, we'll try to discuss at any given another given point of time. But you start applying these and watch out for today in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even for Reliance. So important time cycles coming up. So persons who are not aware of Astro, you can use these mathematical time cycles also. So everything works fine in market. Only thing is you need to have confidence on your study, conviction on your study, and you need to practice it day in, day out, you know and be ready to have. You should know what is your stop losses and what is the maximum risk you are carrying. These simple concepts, if you'll apply, any kind of market you can trade in. So my best wishes to all of you. Practice this concept, and if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of your health. Have a good day. Bye bye.